Okay, welcome back to part 2 of this video.
Or should I say part 2 of today's assignment. This is matrix video number 2. This one is all about adding and subtracting matrices. Matrices? What is that word? Matrices. It's the plural of matrix. So, for example, look down here. There's a matrix. There's a matrix. I have two matrices, not two matrices. It's kind of like axis and axes. When you graph with coordinates, matrices, that's plural. So let's go on to the first example. So, quick little fact here. Matrices, they're defined by capital letters usually. So this one right here on the left, that's matrix A. This one on the right is matrix B. Review from last video. First half of your assignment, these are both 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3, 2 by 3s, 2 by 3s. You have to add them. In order to add them, they have to be the same. So what I want to do first off, so we'll say example 1 is A plus B. So how do I do that? Well, to quote one of the most overused memes on the internet, what if I told you that all you had to do was just add the corresponding parts together? So like the first term was 7 plus -1. That's all you have to do. So first off, a couple things, just little instructions. To add or subtract matrices, just add or subtract the corresponding parts. Your resulting matrix is the same dimension as the first two. So these two were 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Your answer will also be a 2 by 3. So if you can figure it out, matrices must be the same dimensions in order to be added or subtracted. If one's a 2 by 3 and one's a 2 by 4, can't add them. Just can't do it. Can't be done. They've got to be the same. So this one, when I add these together, here's what happens. So I have 6 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You add the corresponding parts together. So this top left term is going to be 7 plus -1. The middle term is going to be 3 plus 4. The right term, 0 plus 3.5. Ran out of space there. Bottom left, -1 plus -3. Bottom middle, 5 plus 11. And bottom right, 2 plus 8. So my answer just becomes this. It's a 2 by 3. So 7 plus -1, 6. 3 plus 4, 7. 3.5 on the top right. -4, 16, and 10. Right? They all came from over here. So when I add these matrices together, I just do that. I'm going to erase this now and start with a new example. So if you need to get this written down, then pause the video now. So example 2, B plus A. So matrix B plus matrix A. Addition does not matter how you do it. It's going to be the exact same answer as last time. So -1 plus 7, 7 plus -1, same thing, -6. Middle term, 4 plus 3, 7. Top right, 3.5 plus 0, 3.5. You can probably do this for me. Bottom left, -3 plus -1, -4. Bottom middle, 11 plus 5, 16. And bottom right, 8 plus 2, 10. That's right, this is Algebra 2. Enjoy. So again, I'm going to erase this, so if you need this, pause the video. So what about subtracting the matrices? So I'm going to take matrix A, this one here, and then subtract matrix B from it. Well, same thing, subtract corresponding parts. So when I get my answer, I'm going to leave lots of space for the work. The top left is going to be 7 minus -1. Top middle, 3 minus 4. Top right, 0 minus 3.5. Because again, it's A minus B. So this one over here minus that one. Bottom left, -1 minus 3. Bottom middle, 5 minus 11. Bottom right, 2 minus 8. So looking down here, this is my final answer. 8, -1, -3.5. I'm calling a lottery out here. -4, -6, and -6 again. This is the answer to what A minus B is. If I had done B minus A, it would be the exact same matrix, except everything would be opposite. So it would be what was negative is positive, what was positive is negative. If you want to do it yourself and figure it out, you'll see that's true. But otherwise, that's all there is. Because if you, just like with any numbers, if I take 3 minus 4, I get -1. But if I take 4 minus 3, I get 1. So when you switch around numbers with subtraction, you just get the negative version, right? Comparing this to that. So over here, it does matter with subtraction the order that you do. Last thing, here's an equation, but your x is not a number. Your x here stands for a matrix. So what matrix plus this matrix equals that matrix? Well, I want to solve it. How do you solve x plus 1 equals 3? Why you subtract 1, silly? So over here it's the exact same thing. How do you solve this matrix? Subtract this 3, 2, 1, 0 matrix, this 2 by 2, from both sides. Again, they're both 2 by 2s, 2 rows, 2 columns. I can do that. So what you get then for your answer, this x matrix is going to be 8 minus 3, 5, 9 minus 2, 7, 10 minus 1, 9, 11 minus 0, 11. This is the answer to your matrix equation. So equations now involve matrices and not just numbers. So you might see some of this in your homework on Wednesday as well. These are both short videos. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope that you learned something and you can go into class and get this stuff done on our half day. Alright guys, that's it for now. And bye y'all.